the safety brief.
Yeah, I can film from this side.
You sure can. Yep,
okay.
This side only.
Yeah.
So when you guys swap seats, you'll be able to film over here. We just don't want a phone over on the open side for it to go out, hit the tail rotor. We come down really fast, okay? So we don't want that. All right, guys, if you guys are all set, I'm all set. We are on Hollywood. Lights are out, gauge is green, fuel looks good, clear up and right.
Cabin, weapon secure, clear left.
Roger, coming up. Where are you guys from?
Columbus, Ohio.
Columbus, Ohio. Very nice. I never made it up that far.
Not missing much.
I was always down in the Cincinnati area because my kids' grandma and grandpa live up there. One vehicle northbound, South Kingston.
Done. Wow.
First time in a helicopter, gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Hey, buddy. Yep. Okay. Ground be advised, one vehicle northbound. It is Tom's cohort that visit us at the hangar over there. Yeah, copy that, sir.
Yeah, I guess he decided to come in from Iowa to check this out.
That's all right.
Beautiful weather today, huh?
Oh, yeah. Perfect. I didn't know you guys got weather out here.
Oh, we do. We get snow out here, too. Not during this time of year.
Ohio, you get 4 seasons in 4 days.
Yeah, that's right. North is clear, you're clear to load, Tom. Roger. All right, buddy, just stay put real quick. Tom's going to get that weapon set up for us. As soon as it's set up, I'll let him know when you can move outside, all right?
Weapon is hot.
Roger, weapon is hot. Wash is clear. Your shooter.
Roger. Go ahead and step on out for me. Perfect. 1 and 2. Lift it up and lean into her. There you go. Put this below white. Hit that hill. We'll put it where you want it, all right?
That's free.
Fine. Aim. Shoot. Good, good. A little higher, a little higher. There you go. RPG, RPG. Good, good. Very good. A little higher, a little higher. There you go. Good, good. Corner pocket. Oh, dead trigger.
Roger, dead trigger.
Weapon's hot. All right. Go for right over the ridge. There you go. Gotta hold that trigger. There you go. Right up. Good, good, good. 2 on the corner. 2 on the corner.
Dead trigger.
Dead trigger.
Going around.
Roger.
This is fucking beautiful.
Weapon's hot.
Roger, weapon is hot.
We're gonna come back around to the starting line.
It's a
Alright, go ahead and get back up on that weapon. Not yet.
Weapon's free.
Clear, let him have it. Nope, dead trigger.
Roger. Look down and make sure there's no brass or links.
Yeah. I got a leak wedged.
Okay. You got a screwdriver behind you if you need it.
Got it.
Okay.
Hot.
Roger, your shooter.
Alright, hop on. Go for the airplane. Trigger. What the?
Weapon swap.
Yep.
Copy that, weapon swap.
It's destroying links for some reason. Yep. Weapon is cold. Go ahead and step on in for me.
We're going to go down and get another gun. Bring you back up. I'll let you finish off your ammo.
Weapon's cold.
Roger, weapon's cold.
All secure.
All secure, RTV.
Get a little extra fly time.
yeah. This is wicked. I love choppers, man. I could be up here all day. This is quite impressive to me, man. I've never been up here. This is awesome. Oh yeah. Fuck yeah! Oh wow. red right out there. Is that a target? There. Wow.
Wanted to see how secure your paperwork was. He's got somebody else with him too. Tom, your buddy's got another person with him too.
No clue who that is. Must be a relative.
Ready?
Yep, weapon's good.
Alright, let's go do it.
That's ingenious. Like that.
Yeah, weapon.
Roger, cabin weapon secure, lights are out, gauges green, fuel looks good, clear up and right.
Clear left.
Coming up.
That is cool as fuck. That is cool. Oh my god.
Get paper waivers on him.
Yes, sir, that's what we're doing.
It's gotta be fucking fun as hell on that job.
It's got its moments.
South clear.
Roger, south is clear.
Fucking wow.
North clear.
Roger, north clear, clear to load.
Roger.
Leg out? Or wait?
Just a moment.
Yeah, we'll let him get it all set up again.
Alright. Weapons hot.
Roger, weapons hot, wash is clear, your shooter.
Roger. Go ahead and step on out for me. 1 and 2.
Same targets? Yep.
Yeah.
Dummy.
Weapons free.
Line, aim, get some. Yeah, rivet gun. Winchester. That's a little better. Cold.
Roger, weapons gold.
Wow.
All secured.
All secure.
Keep that.
Be my guest. Just don't fly with it. Oh, you might miss your flight.
Damn, you're right.
Check baggage. Don't carry it on. Or if you get the opportunity, drop it in an envelope, man.
Would you get a casing?
South clear.
Roger, south is clear.
Perfect. When we get all the way down on the ground, we'll let you know when you're safe. Get you hang up your headsets, swap out, we'll rinse and repeat.
Awesome.
Alright guys, you're good to hang up your headsets and swap seats.
sir.
I got you loud and clear.
All right.
That secured real quick.
I don't think you're going to be hearing a lot of
Can you hear me
cable.
over there?
Yeah.
Perfect. Looks like you're all buckled up. Good to go. We'll leave that loose for just a moment. Get this foot right here. There you go. Turn to that gun a little. There we go. Now tighten up. Just where you feel a little bit of pressure. Nothing, you know you're not going nowhere.
I'm going somewhere right up. I'm good, man.
Looks good to me. Go ahead and step on in. And once I'm approved, I'll get you out and let you run that gun, all right?
Yes, sir. Oh, wow. This is fucking awesome, dude. And so this is all over video, everything up here?
Yep, so you got a video camera here. Got one right in front of Tom there, one over your shoulder up there, one on the outside looking forward.
Hell yeah.
All right,
Along with all the audio.
Oh, okay.
Weapon secure, cabin secure.
Roger, cabin weapon are secure, lights are out, gauge screen, fuel looks good, clear up and right.
Clear left.
Coming up.
Oh, fuck yeah, this is awesome. Hell yeah. Woo!
Get all the proof you can. People don't believe me.
Oh, dude, this will be all over. I'm sure this is This is fucking awesome. And the best part's not even happening. Jackie, get some! Don't read him as much! Shoot water buffalo, ribbon king. Oh, this is beautiful.
North clear. Roger, north is clear, clear to load. Roger.
Oh, yeah.
Just keep your feet inside real quick, and we'll get that weapon set up for us.
Woo!
200. Weapons hot.
Roger, weapons hot, wash is clear, your shooter.
Roger. Go ahead, step on out. 1, 2. Lift it up and lean into it. There we go. All right.
Weapons free.
Line. Aim. Get some. Go high. There you go. Good, good. All right. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Good, good. RPG. Down low. RPG. Line him up. Good. Nice walk. Good, good, good. Corner pocket. Corner pocket. Dead trigger. Let me see that
Roger,
weapon.
dead trigger.
Dude, this is fucking insane, man.
Weapons hot.
This is so fucking cool.
Go for the tires. Nice and tires. Good, good, good. Gotta hold that. Dead trigger.
So what we're talking about, guys, is the machine gun, it wants to work. If we interrupt it by popping the trigger, that interrupts the mechanism.
Yeah.
So that's why we want you to hold it down for 5 seconds
Okay.
to keep it rolling, okay?
Yes, sir.
She's just real hungry. Let her eat. We're going to come back around to the first targets.
Alright.
We'll clean up the few that you skimmed past.
I've been on too good, man. For me, I'm usually a lot better shot, but this is fucking badass.
Remember, machine guns aren't sniper rifles.
Yeah.
Alright, weapons free.
Go ahead, grab on. Right here. Line them up. Get them. Oh, hold on. Try that again. Might be firing pin. All right. Go for the corner pocket.
Hot.
Yep. Let him have it. Good, good, good. Good stuff. Yeah, that's how you run a gun. Very good. Winchester.
Alright,
Nice job.
That's
Oh, fuck
good.
yes.
Go ahead, step on in for me.
What do you think, buddy? You want to add some more ammo?
I can't afford it, man. I'm rich.
You got it, buddy. No worries.
Weapons cold.
Roger, weapons cold.
Oh, fuck it. How's that all trip, man?
Nice
Thank you
Weapons
very much.
RTB.
Oh, yeah, look at this. This is definitely bucket list 6 times. Oh, tanks now, come on. That's got to be next year.
We're here every day. Take the casinos money.
Oh, yeah. That felt right, man.
Don't worry, we're going to ruin you for every other helicopter ride you ever
I fucking understand, man.
Next time you're going to be like, why are the doors on? Where's the machine gun?
All right, I'm going to tell them to turn around, take me right back up, and give me the doors off.
Why is this so quiet and unexciting?
All right, it is not. Hello. Little vehicle out there.
Yeah, that vehicle out there is rigged for explosives. We're going to actually be blowing it up.
That's what he was telling us. That Tuesday, you said?
Yep.
This is fucking awesome, guys.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for coming out with us.
Thank you for flying us.
You got it,
My
buddy.
man.
Give me numbers. There we go.
Great flying. Thank
Thank you, sir.